Hi, this is Minglei. I'm so glad that I participate in Sprintzeal Training program for PMP exam. I have 5 years experience in automotive industry, and I primarily working on autonomous vehicle development, especially in the localization and SLAM area. I want to thank about all the help from Alex Wu and Krish, who teaches me a lot, taught me a lot during these classes about how to manage the program, how to start a program. I think all of these knowledges are very useful and very practical in real project management. And also he shared a lot of tips about how to cope with the PMP exam. In addition, Alex helped me a lot to set up all the trainings and classes. He also helped me a lot during this process about how to register, how to prepare. I want to thank both of them. Thanks a lot.